Welcome to an introduction of the New South Wales Online Registry. The Online Registry website provides convenient access to court services online from your home or office. Did you know that through this website you can file a variety of civil court forms online, download court-sealed documents, view information about your case, publish and search probate notices, check court listings and more?
The homepage.
This demonstration will briefly show you around the website and how to access key online services. Before you can use online secure services, you must first be registered. After you've registered, you can log in to access the expanding range of online services. Let's take a look at some of these now.
The user logs in.
The case list screen is the first screen that displays when you log in. You can view case information by searching for your case on this screen.
The user searches by case number, then selects their case from a list.
When you select a case, the Your Case Information screens display. Here you can see the proceeding information and participant details.
Filed documents.
The next tab displays any filed documents associated with this case. You can also download court-sealed documents from this tab and see when documents have been filed by other parties.
Court dates.
Any court dates associated with this case can be seen in the Court Dates tab.
Judgments and orders.
The Judgments and Orders tab lists the determinations made by the decision maker and the date of that decision. You can also request a formal copy of the decisions made by clicking Request a copy of judgment order. The Subpoenaed Items tab displays details of a subpoena and any items marked for identification. You can also file a form on an existing case by clicking the File Form tab. This will bring up a list of all the forms that can be filed for this case. To access a form and file it online, you would click the form name from this list. Let's return to the Case List screen and look at other features of the online registry.
The user clicks on the Case List tab, then searches for another case.
The Case List screen also allows you to file a form on an existing case by clicking the File a Form icon.
Forms in progress.
When you're filling out a form online, you have the option to save the form as draft and return to it at a later date. These forms will be located in the Forms in Progress screen.
Forms awaiting payment.
Up to 100 forms can be paid for in one transaction via the Forms Awaiting Payment screen. From this screen, you can select all forms that require payment and then click Next to step through the credit card payment facility. Please note that forms requiring payment are not submitted to the court until that payment has been made.
Filing history.
The Filing History screen displays a list of recently filed forms, also noting whether each form has been accepted or rejected by the court. You can select the form name to view a PDF version of the form or the batch number to view details of the payment, including a downloadable tax invoice. Some forms for civil claims can be filed in a format known as XML. This filing method is best suited to large law firms with an IT department who may need to file up to 100 forms at once. For more information on this service, visit the Help page.
Manage profile.
The Manage Profile screen is where you can manage all the details of your profile. From this screen, you can add delegates to act on your behalf, change your password, secret questions or email address, or register your organisation as an e-organisation, which is a way of replicating your business structure for managing caseloads in an online format. The screens we have just looked at mostly centre around cases that already exist in the system. But what happens if you need to start a case or defend a case that does not display in your case list? In these instances, you would need to select the screen Start or Defend a Case.
The user selects it.
Cases started by another party will not display in your case list until you've been added to this case. To do this, you'll need to follow the steps outlined under Defend a Case. Once completed, you'll be able to see the case in your case list and file, for example, a defence form. To start a new case, select the Case Initiating form from the list.
Statement of claim.
Most forms on the New South Wales Online Registry will have the same look and feel and reflect the content from the original court or UCPR form.
The user enters plaintiff details.
As data entered in the online form is sent directly to the court system, it's imperative the information you enter is accurate and complete.
A blue help icon.
Help has been provided at many points throughout the online form. Refer to the Help section if you require additional help while filing online.
The Probate Notices page.
We've already seen that forms filed against an existing case can be done through the Case List screen, and that forms filed to create a new case are done through the Start or Defend a Case screen. However, there is one form that sits outside these rules, and that's a probate notice. Since early 2013, it's been mandatory to publish all probate notices on the New South Wales Online Registry. As such, publication of probate notices and the option to search for an existing published probate notice sits in its own area of the online registry. Let's quickly recap on the key places within the online registry. The Case List screen is where you view case information and file additional forms on that case. Start or Defend a Case is where you can file a case initiating form or link yourself to an existing case. Up to 100 forms can be selected in the Forms Awaiting Payment screen, then paid for in one batch. Court-sealed documents and tax invoices can be accessed on the Filing History screen. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration. We hope it's helped guide you around the site. More forms will be made available over time, so please keep an eye on the New South Wales Online Registry homepage for the latest updates.